We have been asked several times what setup we use to tow our Jeep Wrangler, so we made this video. With that, we recommend you review your owner's manual before towing. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. We use a Roadmaster Sterling all-terrain non-binding tow bar that is rated for 8,000 pounds. We use a Roadmaster Direct Connect base plate with removable arms that you see under the bumper. We went with this option because it allowed us to remove the arms when we're not towing and give a smooth look appearance. Our safety chains are 68 inches in length, coiled, rated for 6,000 pounds, and are made by Roadmaster. The yellow cable that you see hanging comes with the Rvi brake system. The electrical cable is a Blue Ox coil cable with female receptor. We added 2 additional Roadmaster replacement cable connectors to make the process easier. With the exception of the Rvi brake system that comes with several components, we bought all the items individually and we did all the work to the Jeep ourselves. By far the hardest part was installing the base plate underneath the front bumper, as this requires you to completely remove the front bumper and possibly drill into the frame.
While Tamar does the outside, I take care of the inside for towing. That includes making sure the transfer case is in neutral, parking brake is down, Rvi brake system is applied, and shift lever in park. Before installing the Rvi brake, I shift the gear lever through the gears to make sure the transfer case is disengaged. We use the Rvi Brake 3. Application and setup of the Rvi brake system is pretty simple. Plug it into a cigarette lighter, attach the brake arm over the pedal, and attach the breakaway cable. Then follow the audible instructions. And then
push auto position button. Push auto position button one more time. Rvi brake ready.
Our tow bar has these 2 levers to remove tension. We make sure that they're in the correct position before taking off. Okay.
don't forget to check your lights on your tow vehicle before taking off.
To reduce our total weight, we travel with our house tanks near or empty to include the freshwater tank, and with the Jeep at or less than half tank of fuel. This is like her second or third time actually pulling the Jeep. Good job. Our Rvi brake system comes with a display that allows us to monitor the tow. It also allows us to monitor the charge that is going to the battery on the tow vehicle. However, that requires the purchase of an additional device. If you have any question about any of the products we mentioned, leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video useful.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.